Welcome to our guide on how to announce the arrival of a new child on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to share your exciting news. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to mark this joyous occasion. 4. Choose Family to signify the expansion of your family. 5. Select New Child to introduce your newest family member. 6. Enter a title for your announcement and include the date of your child's arrival. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to move forward. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this wonderful news with, whether it's close friends, family, or a specific group. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the news of your new child with your Facebook connections, spreading the joy and excitement of this special moment. By following these steps, you can celebrate and introduce your new addition to the world through your Facebook network. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about a new child on Facebook. Share the happiness and love of welcoming a new member into your family with your online community. Embrace the support and well wishes from your friends and family as you embark on this new chapter of parenthood.